In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up routines in Ticktick. If you're new to Ticktick or just looking to organize your day a little more efficiently, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through each step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to create daily routines in this versatile application. First, you'll want to begin by visiting the Ticktick website. This is where all the magic happens, so open your preferred web browser and navigate to ticktick.com. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the sign in button. You'll find it at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to choose a method to log in. For ease and speed, let's choose continue with Google. Clicking this option will sync your Google account with Ticktick, streamlining the entire process. It's a one-click solution that keeps things efficient and secure, provided you're already logged into your Google account. Now that you've signed in, let's create our first task as part of a daily routine. You'll want to navigate to the Add Task button, typically highlighted and easy to spot within the application. Once you've clicked it, the screen will prompt you to input the name of your task. For this tutorial, simply type Daily Routine. By specifying daily, Ticktick will intuitively set this task to repeat every day, saving you time in manually entering this information. With your daily routine set up as a task, it's time to press Enter. This action ensures your task is officially recorded in Ticktick's system. Now on the right side of your screen, you'll see the details section for your new task. This is where we'll flesh out the specifics of your daily routine. Imagine the different activities you wish to incorporate into your day. Let's take for example a morning walk. Type it in to serve as one segment of your daily routine, or maybe you have other tasks like reading, meditation, or workout routines. The specifics are entirely up to you based on your personal goals and schedule. There you have it. Your daily routine is fully customized and ready to aid in enhancing your productivity. These steps outline a basic setup, but remember, Ticktick offers a plethora of features to explore. As you become more familiar, you'll be able to tailor tasks even further, integrating them seamlessly into your daily life. With practice, setting up and maintaining routines in Ticktick can become a simple yet powerful part of your organizational toolkit. That's it for today's guide on setting up routines in Ticktick. I hope you found it helpful and feel more empowered to manage your time effectively. Thanks for tuning in.